So I sculpted an orc in 2 hours, and this is how I did it. First, we had to make the bust. We had to do the whole thing with the shoulders, and we just puff them out. We do the muscles. We gotta do the muscles. So like clay strips, but in the direction of the muscle fibers. We gotta put eyeballs in. These are eyeballs that I made previously, so I'm cheating, but too bad. I cheat all the time. And then you add teeth. We just copy and paste, and you move like a cylinder thingamabob into his mouth, and that's the gums. And it's fucking, you sculpt on the gums because the teeth have to live within the gums, and now we have eyeballs. Put the eyeballs inside of the face, and so you do that with the skin, and then you carve in the mouth and carve in the chin, and then you move the stuff around because it's never finished. We're never done. We gotta keep on going. We have wrinkles. Every person has a wrinkle, even orcs. Orcs have wrinkles because they have lots of skin. They have more skin than their skeleton can handle, and so they wrinkle because they fold over, and that's what wrinkles are. It's just folded skin because in the grand scheme of things, we're just machines wrapped in an organic fabric that moves around kind of strange. Oh, okay, so now we're going into, we took mirror off, and now we specifically want to break up the seam in the middle, and we're adding even more detail. Okay, so before we were doing big voluptuous skin folds, and now we're doing tiny little crusty wrinkles because we're getting smaller. We gotta make sure we're following paths, and then we move some stuff around because it's no longer mirrored, so we had to like really put some life into this thingamabob, whatever the orc, it's called an orc, and so we had to make it alive, and so we do that through taking away the symmetry and just finish it off with some skin pores, and that's how you speed run an orc bust sculpture in under 2 hours.